we want to be here, and our coach wants to keep our hands up. So he go ahead, boom. I can still, even with the gloves on, I can shoot, but I can't really, you know what I'm saying, grab claw. So I'm going to shoot my hands on there, and then I could be able to just, after I get my initial hands on them, then I'm just going to take them down, and now I'm just on the feet. So our main thing is on the line. Our coach wants us to, so if he's trying to release, we can push him, do all this here, and then as soon as he gets his release, he wants us off.
So the key is the open hand.
Key is the open hand and being able to just open up to it that way. So he double, he going inside, bring this one down, shoot this one up. So I'm still being able to use my hands, but I just can't grab them like I want to. So you're still getting the same work.
Are you getting the same work with the gloves also? When the gloves come off, does it still feel the same like you have the gloves on?
No, when the gloves come off, you know that you can get that's when you're gonna try to get that press on there.
Because I tried to get away with it against the Washington Redskins. Top of a route, he was running the comeback. I grabbed his jersey low. They still saw it. So
let's flip.